If you're a beginner and tired of using ring lights, I recommend the Godox SL60II-D. I switched and I honestly can't look back because of that new quality professional look I now get. The packaging was a nice white box, well protected with the light in the middle and all accessories like the mount reflector and cables intact. I like the SL60II-D because it has a solid hard body which feels premium to the touch, and you can also control this light using a mobile application from Godox which manages things like effects, light intensity and many other nitty-gritties that Godox has provided with this light. The SL60D also has a silent fan that is not as loud even in a studio setting, depending on what type of project you're working on, be it recording or a podcast setting. It also supports all sizes of soft boxes and all types. Currently I'm using it with a 90cm soft box, as you'll see, and I've had no issue with it. The spotlight is also very easy to set up depending on the type of stands you have, but from what I've seen, it fits on any other stand that can support a spotlight. If you're a person who does shots outdoor, this is the light for you. Actually, it is the Godox SL60D. The D stands for daylight. So if you're a person who's going to be shooting outside, this is the type of light that I would advise you to get if you're not looking into something very, very expensive like the apertures and the different types of lights out there. Now moving on to the things that I don't like. There are only 2 points that I don't like about this light. One of them is that we are stuck at 5600 Kelvin of light temperature on this thing. We cannot change that because it is a daylight type of spotlight, and if you want to get something with a better temperature, you should buy the SL60BI or the BI, which allows you to change the temperature according to what type of project you're working on. The second thing I don't like about this light, it's not a light that you're going to go carrying around like for projects like a picnic or some types of shoots that you're going to be doing in an outdoor setting. It is a cable type of setup and no batteries attached to it. So if you want to go for something like that, there are other alternatives that I would advise you to get. This light is amazing and there are very many projects I can't wait to use it on. I can finally make some nice shoots since I'm now using the ZV-E10 Sony camera. And I am really so hyped for this type of light. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions or any other thing you want me to elaborate on this light, drop it in the comments and I will work upon it.